Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can make variables read-only in Swift. So here we have multiple variables. I'm going to create a new class called person. So in this I'm going to put that. So then I'm going to make a object of that. We can say let person1 is equals to person. Okay, here we can change it is first name, this one. Currently it have John. I'm going to make that as Shane. Then let's print person1 dot first name. Here we can do that. You can see the value of first name has changed to Ashane. It was John. So in order to make that variable read only, what we will do, just make it private. But making it private will make that variable private to this class. So we can use that there in the class, but we cannot use that outside of that class. But what we will do, after the private keyword, add parentheses and add set. So this will make this variable cannot be changed outside of the class, but we can read it because this variable will be readable outside of the scope. Okay, then here we cannot change that, but we can access that. A person one dot first name can be accessed outside of that class if we add the set inside parentheses after the private. Okay, now we can see it is John. Now let's see, we want to change each and every variables to read only. So what we can do is press Command and F in your keyboard. Okay, and select replace here. Now you have to type var and space. Then here in the width section you have to type private in the parentheses set and var and space. So that will make all of those variables read only, and we can click all to replace everything. Okay, you can see all of those variables are read only. Thank you very much.